As of December 2025, it's important to understand that PayPal operates a custodial crypto service. This means you can buy, sell, and hold Litecoin LTC within PayPal, but you cannot directly deposit LTC from an external wallet into your PayPal account. Consequently, PayPal does not provide a public LTC wallet address or QR code for receiving deposits. The key distinction is that depositing LTC on PayPal happens when you buy it with fiat currency, not by transferring it from another wallet. Remember, PayPal prioritizes user safety with custodial security, but this restricts advanced features like direct crypto deposits. While you can't deposit LTC into PayPal, you can withdraw your LTC to an external wallet. To begin, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the crypto section. Select Litecoin, LTC, then choose the option to transfer or send to an external wallet. PayPal will then prompt you to enter the receiving address of your external wallet, such as from Trust Wallet or MetaMask. You might also be able to use a QR code scanner on your phone to scan the receiving address QR code from your external wallet. It's crucial to ensure the address is correct before confirming the transaction, as LTC transactions are irreversible. This address is where PayPal will send your LTC. Remember, this address is where PayPal will send your LTC. It's not an address for depositing LTC into PayPal.